In this video, I will be exploring the around early 50s, or early 60s, late 50s Adler Tippa. I got this typewriter from Holland. I had a friend bring it over for me, along with a Dutch Underwood Universal portable from the 40s, a yellow this is Triumph, pardon me. Another Triumph Tippa, a yellow one, later model from the 70s, and a Scheidecker typewriter. Now, this is one of those, like I said. This is the Triumph Tippa from the late 50s. I have the original manual for it in Dutch. I can read it. Maybe you can too. It says, first meeting with the Triumph Tippa, or in Dutch, eerste ontmoeting met de Triumph Tippa. Well, here it is, distance key, left and right head key, things like, this is carriage lock, wagenvastzetter, this is platen, schrijfrol. Yeah, all those things. So, very creatively done. And on the back it says Triumph, well, the company from Germany, and it's printed in Western Germany. Well, these are old type samples that I got with the typewriter. I think there was a date on there somewhere, I think like 1970 or something like that. Yeah, and I got the super plastic eraser film, which is pretty cool. Usually you could stick this on the side of your typewriter, that's why there's a sticky button on the side, like this. Usually on this side, so you could just slide it out, but the stickiness is gone. So, oh, and yeah, this is to maintain that the keys are in order when it's stored. It has a very, very big paper support for its size. The body is mainly plastic except for the bottom plate, and that has a funny tag. The typewriter itself is in good shape, definitely. It has a few tiny problems. For instance, the platen on this machine, I don't know if you can see it, isn't very good, missing, but it's worn down. It doesn't have cracks, but it is very hard, and I don't use this machine too often, just afraid it's going to break at some point. The rubbers are gone on both sides. I use a tiny sticky tag that makes it sit in place, but it's not perfect. I have to find something to fix that. I'll probably buy some new rubbers and put it in. That's it. That's all the problems this machine has. The serial number is 364379. Don't know. Let me just turn the night shot on. There you go. You can see it better. Yeah, like I said, it takes the normal universal twin size spools. It comes with the lid, which you just already saw. It's plastic. It still has the old eraser, but that's useless as it has dried up. It's really hard, but it's pretty cool to still have, though. Yeah, it has 1, 2, and 3 spaces, as you can see. It has a very firm key touch. I kind of like it. Really makes you feel like you're actually using this machine. It's not like a computer keyboard. Definitely not. Yeah, this is a heavy machine for its size, but it's a very good machine. I'm not really fond of the plastic bodies, but it works for me. I think I've seen these in metal. Was there a metal version of this? I'm not too sure. That's the carriage lock. It doesn't have a tabulator. It does have the well, for instance, it has this key. That's a Dutch key. You only find that the Combination of the I and the J is very common in Dutch language, so common that they actually made a key with a combination for it. They have, and above that is the money currency symbol for Holland until up to 2002, when it changed to European euros. So that was it before 2002. I'm thinking that's it really. It's a tiny machine. It's very compact and not too outspoken. It's not too much fanciness. It does what it needs to do, and that's pretty much it. So let me end the video here and let's get on with the next subject.